Hello everyone, myself Palak Thakur and I am your history teacher of a class 8th standard. Today we will discuss about the chapter of a source of history. In previous classes we already learned about the modern Indian history. Historical sources are divided into the material sources, oral sources and written sources. Oral sources. Inspirational song. During the pre-independent period, through the inspirational song, we get information about the spirit behind the freedom fighters. During the period of a freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. Povadas. Povada is the source for getting information about the historical event or work of the person. Povadas give information about the freedom struggle of 1857. To create motivation and spirit among the people. Povadas on Satyasodhak Samaj. Povadas on Samyukta Maharashtra movement. Here I am given some point of an inspirational song and Povadas. First one we will discuss about the inspirational song. First one of inspirational song, that is during the pre-independent period, through the inspirational song we get information about the spirit behind the freedom struggle. Second one it is during the period of a freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. Povadas. First one it is Povada is the source for getting information about the historical event or the work of a person. Second one, Povadas give information about a freedom struggle of 1857 to create motivational and spirit among the people. Third one it is Povadas on Satyasodhak Samaj. Fourth one it is Povadas on Samyukta Maharashtra movement. Photographs. Photographs are the visual source of a modern Indian history. From photograph we get information about a person or event through visual format. Photograph give information about the physical features, dressing style, etc. Recording. Recording is the audio form of a source of a history. During modern periods, speeches of a person, important personality, event, etc. are available in the form of recording. For example, national anthem Jana Gana Mana was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose. Here I am given some point of a photograph and recording. First one we will discuss about the photograph. First point it is photograph are visual source of a modern Indian history. Second one, information about a person or an event in a visual format. Third one it is photograph of a person give information about the physical features, dressing style, etc. Recording. First one it is recording is the form of a audio source of a history. Second one, during modern period the speeches of a leader or important personality, songs are etc. are available in the form of recording. Example, national anthem Jana Gana Mana sung by Rabindranath Tagore or speeches of a Subhash Chandra Bose. Film. Film are considered as a unique discovery of a modern technology. In the 20th century there was a great development of a filmmaking. Dadasaheb Phalke in the year 1913 laid the foundation of an Indian film industry. Audio, video, recording, data, Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India Movement, etc. that are available in film. Here I am given some point of a films. First one it is film are considered as a unique discovery of a modern technology. Second one it is in the 20th century there was a great development in the technique of a filmmaking. Third one it is Dadasaheb Phalke in the year 1913 laid the foundation of a Indian film industry. Fourth one it is audio, video, visual recording of a Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India Movement and such other historical incidents are available in modern technology.